Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing the cut and buff. I already did the cutting, I already did the sanding. I sanded it with 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. That is where it's at right now. I am polishing this also. It's a little dirty, but it'll get nice and clean. Let's begin the polishing stage. Right here guys, I am using the 3M Perfected. It's a 3-stage process, and like I said, this is already sanded down all the way to 4000 grit. I already started polishing, so I'm gonna put you on top so that you can see. It's gonna be like a time warp type thing, and let's begin.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from gray. Masked up, fumes thicker than...
Here you go guys, if you guys can see, this is the first step. We still need to polish a little bit more. Black is one of the hardest, and I mean hardest colors to polish. So we still need a little bit more, but as you guys can see, looking nice, looking really nice. So I'm gonna continue on that side. Let's just go. All right, the top has been finished with the first stage. Yeah, it's a little dusty from all the compound, but that's gonna get cleaned. I repolished these side panels also, which is looking nice. Now I'm gonna go with the second stage of the Perfected right there guys, which that one uses this black waffle type sponge. That one's gonna bring out the shine a little bit more, and then there's a third step. So let's just continue with the second step. Apply it to the entire car before I can just clean it up, wash it, have it the way it's supposed to be. Here you go. After finishing with the black number 2 and the waffle pad, there you go. Now we need one more step, which is going to be the number 3 Perfected, and it's going to be the blue waffle pad right there. Well, mine's kind of different color, but it's the same thing. So let's go with that one. Finish up this polishing. Right, I have finished the final polish. Now let me show it to you. The thing is, it's kind of dirty right now because of all the polishing, but as you guys can see, nice and shiny. All I gotta do now is just give it a power wash, clean everything, clean all the polishing debris. But there you go guys, there you go. All of this is just dust from the polishing guys. There it is, looking nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get everything out and clean it up and just power wash it. Make sure all the residue from all the compounds from the little nooks and crannies are out, and we'll be done with this part of the car. We go next to probably the trunk. I'm gonna start polishing the trunk and the doors. That way I can start assembling everything. I can start putting the emblems, the eagle that goes on these sides, on the sides, on the cell areas. So that's what we're gonna be doing, but first I need to clean it up, make sure that everything is nice and clean before continuing. There you go, guys. After cleaning it, came out looking nice. Now the only thing about black paint, guys, gets dirty real quick, but all in all, it's looking nice, real nice. Take it to the other side. Again, guys, it gets dirty real quick. But there you go. Now what I need to do is start on the trunk lid. Go from there, guys. All right, clean this up as much as I could. I'm still gonna give it another wash before it goes, but there it is. This is gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, guys, have a great week, have a great weekend. I'll see you next coming weekend. All right, thank you, and like always, stay safe and God bless.